If you have a TikTok account and are finding some success and you want to take things to the next level, TikTok's Creator Fund could help you get paid for the content you create on the platform. We will tell you everything you need to know to join the Creator Fund in today's video. Let's get started. Number 1. What is the TikTok Creator Fund? TikTok's Creator Fund program is a $200 million cash fund growing to $1 billion over the next 3 years to reward TikTokers for creating authentic, entertaining, and engaging video content. Starting in 2020, the TikTok Creator Fund is the opportunity many creators have been waiting for to earn per view on their original content. The TikTok Creator Fund allows the brightest TikTokers to earn money through their creative content. It is an incentive for creators and TikTok's way of saying thank you to the users that helped it grow to the most used app in the world. The goal of the fund is to support the best TikTok creators who draw audiences to the platform and reward them for their great content. Anyone can sign up, and successful TikTokers can make good money on high-performing and engaging TikTok videos. It really is possible in 2022 to make an income just from posting creative content on TikTok. Number 2. How to qualify for the TikTok Creator Fund. The initial criteria for applying to the TikTok Creator Fund are: you must be at least 18 years of age, you should have at least 10,000 followers on TikTok, you must be based in the US, UK, France, Spain, Germany, or Italy, you should have at least 100,000 views on your TikToks in the last 30 days, you should only post original content in line with TikTok community guidelines. The Creator Fund is for content creators who have already proven their ability to make popular content, so you'll need to already have some success with your TikTok profile to get started. If you live in a qualifying country but don't meet the criteria just yet, you can focus on gaining the followers and view counts that TikTok are looking for, which are all achievable if you put in the effort and learn the skills that you need to get there. Number 3. How to sign up for the TikTok Creator Fund. The first thing you'll need to do, if you haven't already got one, is to make your TikTok account a pro account. This is easier than it sounds. There are no requirements for having a pro account, and the great news is that anyone can switch to a pro account right from the TikTok app. You just need to open up TikTok and select Me to go to your profile. Next, tap the 3 lines at the top right-hand corner and head over to Manage Account. Under Account Control, tap Switch to Pro Account. From there, you need to select the Creator Pro account. Now you're pro. Head back to your profile and again tap on the 3 lines at the top right, and now you should see the Creator option. From here, you can see Insights and the Creator Fund option. Once you tap this option, you'll be taken to the application process where you have to confirm that you are at least 18 years old. You may have to upload your ID for this. Also, you have to verify your location. Make sure you do not forget to read and accept the terms and conditions. Once sign-up is complete, you're ready to start earning money directly from TikTok for the content you create. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and watch the next video to learn more.